From the future of opulent travel, greetings. Set aside all of your RV-related knowledge. In 2026, the British luxury giant Bentley daringly enters uncharted territory with their camper design. This is not just a car, it's a message. Imagine a sophisticated monster with an appearance that embodies Bentley DNA. The massive, special alloy wheels, the flowing body lines that are enhanced with carbon fiber and rich chrome, and the iconic big matrix grille on each side of the sleek adaptive LED headlights. Despite the huge proportions, Bentley's characteristic elegance and speed remain. Beneath all of that luxury comes an equally impressive powerplant. A state-of-the-art plug-in hybrid drivetrain, most likely including a powerful electric motor and a twin-turbocharged V6 or V8 engine optimized for efficiency and power, is expected to power the 2026 Bentley Motorhome. The total output could provide over 700 horsepower and massive amounts of instant torque, even for a car this size, ensuring flawless and seamless acceleration. Additionally, it would have an all-electric range for quick, emission-free travel. It's the perfect combination of style, functionality, and environmental awareness. The dashboard welcomes you as an artistic and technological wonder as soon as you step inside. The main attraction is an ultra-wide, curved touchscreen infotainment display that spans nearly the entire length of the dashboard and combines an advanced infotainment system, vehicle controls, and 3D navigation. It is crafted from the best leather and has polished chrome or aluminum hardware, rich burr wood inlays, and exquisite hand stitching. The fully configurable digital instrument panel displays all pertinent data in an easy-to-understand manner. Physical buttons, when they exist, are one-of-a-kind works of art composed of solid metal with a satisfying tactile response. A transportable, luxurious lounge serves as the internal living area. Sofas and chairs with thick quilted leather are electrically changeable and extremely comfy. Options include a dining table that folds and hides itself, a huge L-shaped sofa, or even swivel captain seats. Unobstructed views are provided by large panoramic side windows with electrically adjustable opacity. A unique audio system from a reputable provider produces concert caliber sound, while adjustable LED ambient lighting creates the perfect mood. A tranquil sanctuary awaits you as you enter the bedroom. An orthopedic mattress that has been custom-fitted for a king-size bed is covered with the finest silk linens. There is a walk-in wardrobe with ample storage drawers and inside lighting to meet all of your needs. There's also a hidden flat-screen TV that only comes on when needed, and a touch-sensitive control panel beside the bed lets you adjust the lighting, window blinds, and temperature. The peaceful surroundings and isolation from the outer world provide a comfortable sleep. The bathroom is your own haven, designed to the standards of a 5-star hotel. It has heated marble flooring, 2 sinks with gold or chrome faucets, and an advanced smart toilet. Consistent water pressure is provided by the rain shower head and body jets of the full-size shower. Bright lighting, advanced ventilation, and an anti-fog mirror complete the invigorating shower experience, providing unparalleled comfort when traveling. The Bentley Motorhome's kitchen is a gourmet retreat that maintains style and functionality. The worktops are made of marble or high-quality quartz. Built-in kitchen appliances from renowned manufacturers such as Gaggenau and Sub-Zero include full-size refrigerators and freezers, induction cooktops, convection ovens, microwaves, and dishwashers. Included are a wine cooler, an espresso maker built right in, and plenty of well-designed cabinet storage with soft-close mechanisms. This kitchen allows you to prepare delectable meals from any location.